Big
Ang very confusing ni Medina guys, kaya hindi ako makapwesto ng ayos. Sorry kids.
Where's the last gen again?
I'm very confused kay Medina.
Mahalaga matapos yung dyan, guys. Kaya may
Found
sa
minute.
Alam, nagka-punch na sa akin.
Oh.
Go, go, go.
Oh.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Kaso bakit?
Rune. Oh God. No. I couldn't sacrifice.
Ngayon, wala si
It's bad. Wait, come back.
Wala ni Gazelle?
Wait. On top.
Lord, or you,
Good.
shucks, third ko na pala ano yun?
Third lock muna, third lock muna. Medyo confusing si Medina, hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa niya.
Righty. Very bad. No.
Oo nga, ito na, good power.
I could not protect. I failed on it.
It took me out the ghost.
Tapos sinave niya ako ng walang borrowed time.
I wanna help, but I
Let me
can't.
go. If you wanna help me,
But I don't like it. The one doing that. Oh,
alam
wow.
nyo guys,
What the?
hindi nakakababa yung mga Zenka. Kasi sila yun. Tumutulong maka-escape for it. So, ako, I'm proud to be Char. Na almost po. Proud ako ate na. Oh, nice! So, sige. Easy. Hopefully, hindi ka magugulatin katulad ko. Kasi, the first time I tried this, like,
Kate is 99 by the way. Oh, I think she's us. Oh, what?
kasi,
Oh. That's right.
Pangilan, third game na to. Commit lang, commit.
Commit.
Yup, commit.
Commit.
Oh, what?
No, I know it. Wait. May unbreakable ako. Wait. Please.
Find the
She's
totem, guys.
a freak. A freak. That's a flashlight. Oh God. What are you doing?
Alright, after this,
Medyo farmer yung si Medina eh. Wala siyang borrowed time. Gusto niya agad i-save after
Oh
hook.
my gosh, bro.
magpaparuleta na lang ako on host.
Are you kidding? Why you
I'm
come?
so down at this kid na. Oh, what happened, Benny?
Killer bad.
Hindi ko
Stop.
sure, Lord Oreo, kung sino nanalo. Kasi,
Bad
may ginawa
tunneler.
ako, diba?
Bad.
Entertain the viewers. Alright?
I think I should have opened the door. Dang. Pick her up. Oh my God.
Yup,
Oh my
Raven.
God. 4%? No.
Wait. Then, nasina ka.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Help find the totem na lang.
Maybe not there.
At last, diba na 99? Yung date.
Maybe it's upstairs.
Take a
Ooh.
check. Just
Deliverance.
Ate, ano, hindi ko makita sa Play Store. Wait, guys, can you help me?
No.
May dina-downloadan yung ibang viewers. Can you help, Anika? If you're here, can you
Yeah?
tell Wincy what, kung saan siya pwede ma-download?
Where is this totem?
Thank you, thank you. And, kasi iOS ako, kaya hindi ko sure yung sa Android.
No.
Sorry.
Oh,
Ayun,
it's on the
set
hat.
up. Alright. Thank you, Anika. That's out.
Where's the totem? Oh god.
Hinahabol si Medina.
Oh. Where are you?
So, shock na try nyo ng tignan.
Yup.
Okay.
Oh god. It sucks. Oh my gosh.
Sige na
Dang. Here? Where is it? What?
Ano yan?
Ito ba?
What is this?
Ang hirap kasi ngayon,
Is
hindi
this
mo...
archery, bro? I can't find it. What is this archery?
Hindi, nag-iba kasi yung, yung itsura ng X-Totem. Hindi naman to.
Ay, hindi na yung parang...
It doesn't
nag-uusap.
glow.
Oo,
It
hindi na.
just smoke. Okay, I think we should just escape. Should we? I really can't find it. Totem. He's after me. Okay.
Hindi, wala na sa
Oh. Can I open the door? Okay. I'm opening the door.
Ay, umalis na siya, my friend.
Oh, God.
You can download. Thank you, Anika, for assisting with
There's another door.
finger heart power. Wala ka yan.
Oh, no. Oh, freak.
Freaking dead hard. Fire mo ako, fire mo ako. Fire mo ako. Kaya ba?
Sorry.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Maybe the totem.
Fire mo na lang ako. Fire mo na lang ako. May exit naman dito.
I don't have borrowed time.
Sige lang, sige lang. Go, go, go.
Okay.
Bro, wag mo nang buksan yan kasi bukas na yung nandito.
Oh, pag hanapin.
Okay.
Yikes. Go. Oh, nice.
Stop it.
Go, go, go.
Go guys, go guys.
Nangyari dun?
Thing.
Ay, Blood Warden, Blood Warden.
Oh god. It is really bad. Oh, it's
Ayun.
open.
Open ah.
Oh god.
Grabe kahit ako.
Other gate locked. 99 yung other gate.
Thank you.
The other gate is 99. Oh, freak.
Arlay again. Sorry.
I type.
Alright. Third ba yun? Okay. Go first lang. Third na nag-third. Third game. Thank you guys. Joke lang. Joke lang guys. Alright. Okay.
itlog.
Wala si Minty na. Hello? Negative, nandito pa ba?
Yes.
Alright. Uy. Ano pa, saan ba? Si Wincy, may ano pa rin patches sa loob ka. Pang ilan na game na rin. Pang second game ata to. Ah, second game to guys. Ano? Tama ba? Second tayo guys. Hello?
Yes, second game. Sorry.
Okay lang. Parang feeling ko nakausap ko. Sarili ko eh. Sorry.
Ano nangyayari?
Hindi na ba?
Ni-invite ko siya eh.
Ay.
Big O.
Nabasa ko pala guys. I mean, nanood ako ng YouTube tutorial. Mga do's and don'ts sa DVD. Meron doon na parang kapag may hinahabol naman na isa, commit to doing the narrator. Kasi yung killer, since isa lang siya, isa lang yung pwede niyang kalabanin or isa lang yung mapupunta niyang survivor. So, para mas madaling matapos or makalabas agad. Kung may hinahabol naman, mag-dyan na lang. Alright? Parang tip lang yun, which I find helpful talaga. Kasi, di ba, the purpose naman is to fix all the gens para makalabas. If not hatch, guys. So, yun lang. Hopefully, kung may hinahabol naman na isa, hayaan mo na natin. Lalo na kung si-negative naman yung hinahabol, guys, diba? Kayang-kayang 5 gen war. May CG pala kami na naman. Ay, CG. CG o CD? Oh, may CD ka? Creative construction. Tagal at tapos. Oo. Usually, mabilis lang if kayo yung net. Walang masyadong gumagamit ng net. Ano lang.
Yo, hello, Jana. Ay, sorry. Comment ka pala. What did I miss?
Sorry.
Wala naman. Okay naman.
Sandbag is the key to ruin your relationship. Oo. Tama si Anika. Sandbag is the key to ruin your relationship with kapwa survivor. Pero dahil doon, mahal ka pa rin namin, Anika. Oo, we see. Depende yan. Although
What's happening?
may patches pa sa loob. Wait. Alright.
Nag-loading ka, Nom?
Yes.
Alright.
Sure ka?
Ito na kami
What?
sa... wait.
Hindi siya nag-loading, guys.
Okay.
Wait, nawala siya.
Yes.
Alright, nawala tayo lahat. Ay, ito na pala. Kya, ka-invite Kya. Sorry. Kunyari, let me try. Tayo lang. Costume game. Tayo lang yung girls call na isa sa amin. Ako na. Dinamay mo kami, Anika. Sorry. Wait. I can't invite you though. To the party.
Okay.
Alright. Yay! Let's go. Wait. Para may pakinabang ako. Pakinabang ko. Hindi ko magagamit yan. Ito na lang. Alright. Let's go.
Oh wait, I have a new map offering.
Kasi nasa na tayo. It's okay. Huwag sa Haddonfield, guys. So, super hirap ako dun.
Oh, okay.
Huwag muna dun. Mahirap pa ako mag-adjust dun. So, okay.
Yes.
Azeroth is, siya? Saan siya mapupuntang map?
Autumn Haven ito. Yeah.
Okay. Ayan. Macmillan or Colvin, yung gusto ko palang Mac. Alright. It's okay. Yun nag-retire pero pulo ka rin mo. No. Siyempre, ginigreet kita, ani ka nun. Kaya magbigay galang tayo. Alam mo lang, dadagpasan lang kita, di ba? Sorry. Reasons, Miss Kiddlety. Look lang. Sana makaabot si Wincy, no? He got all the time, though. 3 a.m.
Wanted Blood Lodge. Fine.
Skip pero 1 minute na nagkakal. 2 minutes pa nga tayo.
Ooh, it's gonna hurt. Oh, nako. Okay.
Sige, next time na rin.
Oh.
Hindi ko alam paano. Paano ba?
Oh no. Someone dead.
Can you bakit auto down ba yun? Sali ka sa Discord, Wincy. Discord ko muna. Para nangyari ka. On how to download balita.
Yup. Sorry, LP. Mamaya ako sasabihin.
Sayang naman. No way. What do you mean no? Saan? Ay, sakto. Sorry. Wait, I'm gonna send over my Discord.
Okay.
Yung Discord ko, ito guys.
Alright, sige, LP.
Ang dami na.
Hindi naman siya ganun ka-deep, pero slight lang. Slight lang.
At send ko yung Discord guys. Sorry. Oo nga pala.
Toxic generation. Wow. Five-minute game.
Diba?
Oh,
Same to you. Ito.
toxic.
Ano to? Ano yan? Na-curious ako doon. Napala ko mag maganda rin IT. Promise. Maganda IT.
Respect Medina at the champion.
Recommend ko din yun ako.
Kaya nga eh, ang bilis ng araw.
Wow.
Yes, kapag natapos natin ito pareho gusto mo talaga idol na. We're both doing the dance kasi magkatapat lang tayo.
Ay, hindi. Ano lang. Hindi
I
naman.
was rubbing my eyes.
I saw that actually.
Hindi. About lang naman sa game. About sa game lang. Hindi mo siya mamagat. Medyo, pinapakalma ko lang ang aking
Wow.
sarili.
Okay, one more death left.
Is either this or that.
Hop over.
Hanapin na.
Let's
Wow. Oh,
Ang
what is this?
nasa Discord na ako. Can you send us nasa top. Anything I can guys do?
Uy! Tinagtag ko na yung ano eh.
Yeah, that's the Nangyari. Uh-oh. This is bad.
Tinagtag ko na yung analog ko, nag-grab pa din.
Oh. Is she counted?
Yup.
Ay, dalawa pa rin sa ano?
Oh my god. This sucks, dude.
Wala kayong BT parehas?
Wow.
Wala.
I do have BT, but I have to take the hit.
Alright, sige. Tama na din ako.
What if I blind her and then use the... Oh, this... He is this cancellation. Oh, what am I gonna say? Oh, take a hit. Nice.
Wait, ano?
BT? Oh
BT,
no!
BT, go, 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 go. Save, save, save.
Ah! Okay. Go, 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 go.
Bagong account? No, no, no. Hindi, hindi.
Ooh. Right.
Not yet, not yet, not yet.
Big blinds.
Not yet, guys.
What is this game? Oh,
Pick me up. One tap na daw, one tap.
really one tap. Really one tap. Okay.
Yes, really one tap.
Go. Go. Oh god. Are you kidding me? Oh, that's
Farm niyo ako, guys. Farm niyo ako.
Guys, sinabi
This is really bad. The worst situation.
Sige lang, heal lang kayong dalawa. Heal muna kayong dalawa.
Oh,
Right.
car lang.
Wag, wag, wag.
Yo, chill. Ready? Please, chill. Please. Stop running. Medina, stop. Chill. 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 Yo, chill. Stop. Ayaw pa-heal si Medina. BT.
BT, BT, BT. Go, 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 go.
Oy, ano niya? Okay.
BT, BT. Ay, ba't niya sinave? Wala siyang BT.
Yes, that's...
Napaka-farmer talaga ng itong si Medina, guys.
Are you kidding? She doesn't want me to heal her. What's this? What's your problem? Please. This is gonna suck.
Go, 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 go. Nice.
I got the blind. Stop blocking the stairs, please. I can't do anything.
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
I need to heal her.
Go. Nice.
What? Anyari? What's happening? I can't grab the negative.
Ala, oh.
Yes, nice. My disciple.
Nasa kabila yung
Brother.
guys.
Brother. My grade is also 99, by the way.
Heal tayo, heal tayo.
What's
Heal,
happening?
heal, heal, heal.
Medina.
Okay na, okay na.
Okay. Gate.
Oh, open eh.
Open the gate. Ah.
Dito ko siya malayo guys. Nag-game.
Wait. I forgot where the gate was. Oh, wait.
Wait, I'm gonna open the
Everybody has to get out.
Nasaan ka, Nom Nom? Where are you, bro?
I think shack.
Shack?
I forgot. Wait.
Go to the shack, bro.
Lagging. I mean, like, it's like this building with the gen.
Building, alright. Coming.
Oh, wait, let me open the gate. Oh, wait, this is the gate that has this open. Let's see.
Hi. Wait, please.
Must heal. Let me heal you. Let me heal. Wait. Medina. Wait.
Medina, where you at, man?
And you ask, ma'am, and
Oh, sige, man.
Wait, ma'am.
Lalabas ka na, friend. Sige,
Oh.
extend tayo, guys. I got all the time.
Alright, thank you guys. Thank you. Joke lang. Second game ba yan?
Saboteur or botany knowledge?
Ano yan?
Saboteur or botany knowledge?
Botany.
Alright.
Yes,
Kasi may self-care ka. Tama ba?
faster self-care speed.
Nice. So, yes, sir. Got up, guys. Last game, too.
There's that.
Sige. Pwede sabay kami. Oh my God. Ay, sige. Sige, sabihin natin. Negative.
Yo.
Ano, di ba nung yung after ng raffle mo, parang dalawa sa side mo.
Yup. So, sa'yo naman yung dalawa.
Oo.
Alright,
Para
sige lang.
magkasama sana si Tita na.
Sure.
Alright. Yay, guys. Adi ka, Tita, after this. Nice. Ano ako lang? Okay. Let's go.
The last purple flashlight.
Ano din yung sa Macnell yan? Gusto ko rin. Or cold wind.
Kahit saan.
Gusto ko sana.
Yo, Elfie, na
Protest.
nag-message ako sa ating group.
Nasa MCN pa ba si Sam? Si Sam? Let me know, guys. Kasi para okay lang ba, Sam? Una. Limot ko na low end lang. Sayang. Bawal sa CV. Okay. Sayang. Sayang. Wednesday. Pero sa Monday, mag-pag-ulit. Load kayo ng computer and mag-ina. Load, hindi, baka hindi kaya ng phone niya. Kaneka, si Wincy. Sayang!
New account? No. Hindi siya new account. As you can see, guys. Dito pa yung pangalan ko.
Si Medina nag-load. Hindi namin malalaman. Si Lolita Serrano. Hopefully, Sam, sige, after this, Sam. Alright, Sam. Sorry, Sam. Finger heart party. Kung lahat kayo naka-nick, I shift si Blendet talaga. Si Blendet.
Hopefully the
Yes,
silent film map gets
naka-Discord
added.
kami right now. Quit namin sa ML, tapos pinhandle na ako sa global. Sige. Fourth planet. Congrats. May Discord ka daw, Wincy? So, minsan doon kami tumatambay pala. Just to let you know. Good agad. Ayan. Bye.
Yes, bloodline.
Open farm. Sorry. Land rush lang tayo.
Whoa. I think we have a lot there. Oh, it is a Myers. Oh, again.
Oh, alright. Yung,
Bad Myers.
sadly, yung pala, yung nasa, mamaya, comment ko yung Discord server negative.
Problem.
Yikes! Why
Friend.
did you do that, dude?
Oh no, he's just talking. Never mind. He's just talking, friend.
But kapag nag-stop siya, di ba? Parang mati-tier 1 ako, diba?
It's fine. He just wants to stop. He doesn't smack people.
No, but kapag
Okay.
nag-tier 1 siya,
You do
parang
dyan.
1 hit ako, right? Tama ba? Negative. Help me out. Sorry.
Here.
Okay, coming.
Whoa. He's really lagging.
I'm gonna go somewhere else.
What's happening?
Far.
Sige, Dato. Next batch nga pala, 2 viewers from Skid side.